Hello, my name is Rimantas. I'm yoga teacher from Lithuania, and today I'm going to show you how to play and sing mantra Om Namah Shivaya. From the beginning I will play and sing the mantra, and after that I will show you the chords. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Shivaya Namah Om. Shivaya Shivaya Namah Om. Shivaya Namah. Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. Giriya Shankara Namah Shivaya. Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. Giriya Shankara Namah Shivaya. Om 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 Namah, and so on and so on and so on. And now I would like to show you the chords. In this mantra there is four parts. There is four parts of this mantra, and all of them have a little bit different melodies. So let's start from the beginning. First part, chords A-M, Om Na, F, Ma, Shivaya, then G, Om Na, then A-M, Ma, Shivaya, then repeat it one more time. A-M, Om Nam, F, Ma, Shivaya, G, Om Na, A-M, Ma, Shivaya. Then second part, A-M, Shivaya, F, Namah Om, G, Shivaya, A-M, Namah. Repeat. Shivaya, F, Namah Om, G, Shivaya, A-M, Namah. And now third part, A-M, Shambho, F, Shankara, G, Namah Shi, A-M, Shivaya, Giriya, the same A-M, then F, Shankara, then G, Namah Shivaya, and then we repeat it for a few times, and after that the last melody, fourth part, is C. Om Namah Shivaya, G, Vaya, F, Om Namah Namah Shivaya. Then repeat. C. Om Namah Shivaya. F. Om Namah Shivaya. And this is the last fourth part. And then we are going back and start to play from the beginning or from the third part. So sometimes it's really possible to play it like from third part. Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya Giriya Shankara Namah Shivaya Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya Giriya Shankara Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya. And after playing and singing fourth part number 4, we're going back or to the first part or to the third part number 3. Yes. So now what about right hand? So right hand, usually I play a little bit different. We can play this mantra like that. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. And we can do it all the time. And but you can also do something like a faster melody, just to have some kind of, good inside feeling. Shambho Shankara Namah Shivaya Giriya Shankara Namah Shivaya. And you can play it like this from the beginning. Om Namah Shivaya Om Namah Shivaya Om, and so on and so on and so on. All we need is just to practice and just to play and sing. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, any comment, feel free to write it under this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.